Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about Microsoft Teams and how you can easily add a custom background into your video feeds. This will be a relatively quick tutorial, but if you do find it useful, please do click on the like button, hit subscribe and tap that bell. And with all that said, let's jump on over to Microsoft Teams. Okay, so here we are just inside Microsoft Teams. I'm just in my general channel here, and what I'm going to do is click on a Meet Now. And from here what we do is we can see that my video feed is coming through and I have the green screen behind me. What I can do from here is give this a title or just click Meet Now. So I'm just going to click Meet Now, and this is going to load up our screen just here. Now what I can do from here is actually just click on More Actions and then show background effects. Now from here we've got a couple of options. So this one on the far right hand side basically blurs your background, and I can just click apply on that, and now my green screen, as you can see, has gone blurry. Now I also have the ability here to add some various different presets Microsoft Teams backgrounds, just like this here. So this is a custom background that Microsoft Teams have basically enabled automatically within the application. These are the images that are preset by Microsoft Teams. So what we can do actually is go through these and see which ones you might like and prefer. So for example, because Microsoft owns Minecraft, we could have the Minecraft background if we wanted to, etc. Now obviously, as per my intro, I use this background. And you can basically just go through these and find anything that you like to use. And then basically use that inside your video feed. Or at the very top here, there's now they've added the functionality to add your own image and use that as a background. So I'm just going to give Add New a click there, and then come over to a folder here and just choose a custom background to use in this particular feed. And as you can see, when you've added an image, it gets added to the bottom of the list. I can just give that a click and click apply, and now I am in the Simpsons living room. And it is as easy as that to go and add your own custom images into Microsoft Teams, and to blur the background and hide any backgrounds that images in the background that you actually currently have. So if you have a messy office, for example, and you wanted to blur out the background, then you could use the blur function, or you can use a preset, and now we can actually add in those predefined, also custom images, and we can add them into the application as well. And that is it, guys. If you found this video useful, please do click on the like button, hit subscribe and tap that bell. It means a lot to the channel. And with all that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.